See, fall season is upon us here. The trees are changing color. Leaves are dying. Summer is over. Kind of sad summer is over, but at the same time, my kid and I had a great summer, which included traveling out of state. Just wanted to share this. You can see beautiful colors. I also like fall because it's not cold and you can see the leaves are changing color. So the trees look beautiful. If you don't mind, leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite season of the year. I love summer. But each person has a reason as to why they like different seasons. Some people like winter because they can go snowboarding and down the slope skiing. You can see a squirrel right there climbing the tree. Kind of blends to the tree. Oh, it's running. It's raining. Squirrels are busy because they are getting ready for winter, which will be coming pretty soon here, a couple months. All right. Hopefully you're having a good day. You're enjoying yourself in whatever you're doing today. Give us a like on this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm to push my videos to more viewers. I appreciate that. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos and giving a like. If you are new, check out my playlist. And also give a like. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. Give us a like, leave a comment. But I remind you, if you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. I don't like hate comments. When people do that, I don't like it. I don't get too many of those, but just letting you know, no hate comments. Alright, happy Monday. Have a good Monday, have a good week, and we'll see you on the next video. Once again, fall season is here. You can see trees look beautiful. Alright. Peace out.